Alright, so the next type that we're going to do is, I'm going to show you these equations right here. So please type, now this one, it's not in y equals. Do you see how this one's not in y equals? So I can't just say which kind it is because it's not in y equals. When it's not in y equals, like you saw yesterday on y.2, that's why we use relation. So we're going to follow the steps on page 54. If you're watching this video and you have not watched video part 1, page 54, you need to go watch that video first. You're going to press the house button, the little home button. You're going to go to new document, new document, new document. No, we do not save. Then you're going to go to number 2, graphs. Go to number 2, graphs. Go to number 2, graphs. Then you're going to press delete. The button delete is underneath menu. Press delete, and you're going to go to number 6, relation. Why? Because it's not in y equals. It's not in y equals, so you have to press number 6, relation, and it's going to do this. So then you're going to type in the first equation. Please type in the first equation. 7x plus 4y equals 1. Type it in exactly the way you see it. Don't add anything to it. Don't take away. If it says plus, you put plus. If it says minus, you put minus. The numbers that they are, that's what you write. So then it's right here, 7x. Oops, see, I messed up. I put 47 instead of 4y. 7x plus 4y equals 1. Equals 1. You click enter. Yes. You click enter, and then click tab. Then click tab, press enter. Shh, remember I'm recording, so sometimes when you're loud, to hear it. After you press enter, show me your calculator, please, so I can see that you're doing it correctly. Diodone, did you do yours? Oh my gosh. No! The letter X, not times. Times is parentheses. Then you press tab. And then you're going to type in the second equation. Please type in the second equation. Negative 17x plus 17y equals 20. And then you should get 2 lines like this. Thank you, Ali. It's right here. 17x plus 14y equals 20. Negative 17x plus 17y equals 20. Please show me your calculator once you're done. Okay, and you can see how many times the lines cross, that the lines intersect. How many times do the lines intersect? 1 time, meow, 1 time. You have one solution. One solution. The graphs cross, meow. The graphs cross, intersect 1 time. 1 time, meow. So you got a cat. Think about Ariana Grande when she says it crossed 1 time. No? The graphs cross 1 time. That's how she got inspiration for the song. She was doing algebra and she's like, wow, the lines cross 1 time. No? Okay, no one's laughing. Alright, I'll shut up. Alright, so then the equations that we're going to write down are 7x plus 4y equals 1. Negative 17x plus 17y equals 20. Alright, now, if they give you equations in y equals, here's how you know it's going to be one solution. Because they'll have different everything. Different everything. They'll have a different slope, and they'll have a different y-intercept. They'll have a different slope and a different y-intercept. You can check the graphs and see how many times they cross, or you can just look at it and say, oh, they have the different everything. That is consistent, independent. Here's how I remember which one is which. Do you see how this is a 1 solution? See how independent looks like a number 1? That's how I remember which one is which. Inconsistent is 0 solutions. They never cross. They cross 1 time. What do you think the last one's going to look like? How many times do you think they cross? I'll show you. Alright, So the next set of equations we're going to graph is this one right here, the one in like the middle right there. Please graph that. So go to new document, the same steps on page 54, new document. This one's not in y equals, so I can't do it like this. When it's in y equals, I can do it like this. When it's not in y equals, I probably need to graph it or I have to solve it. Both of them. Both of them. New document, do you want to save? No. Add graphs. I'll do it in a minute. Add graphs. Press delete. Relation. And then the equation is 9x plus y equals 5. You'd think I'd have it memorized. I've done it before. Okay, show me the graph, please. Good. Show me the graph. Show me the graph. Show me the graph. Show me the graph. All right. Then you press tab to do the other equation. Press tab. The other equation is 18x plus 2y equals. Don't give away the ending for everybody. All right. Press enter. What do you notice? They're the same exact line. So, they're the same line. So, we put one line and we put it bold. It's one line on top of the other line. So, how many times do you think they touch if they're the exact same line? One? No, one would be one time. 2 times. They touch everywhere. Every point. Because it's a line, listen, listen, because this is where some of you might get confused. They touch every single point. It's a line. A line goes on for forever, so it's infinite solutions. Infinite solutions. Like that. Infinite solutions. Okay, they graphs touch at every single point. Every single point. They're the same line. They're the same line. Now, if you solve it, you'll see that they're the same line. It was 9x plus 5y. Right? Was that the equation?
Y equals plus y equals
Oh, you're right.
equal 5.
Sorry, I messed up. This one here has the same slope, has the same y-intercept. Same everything. Same everything. Same slope, same y-intercept. If you're watching this video, you can pause it, make sure you have all the notes. But I'm going to show you the IXL right now so you can see what I'm talking about. I'll go back. I promise I'll go back, but just not this very second because I want to show you the IXL and I'm recording. Yes, Diodone. What did I forget, Diodone? Oh, yes, I forgot to say subscribe, like, comment, share this video. Thank you for the reminder. All right, we're going to go to U.7. Now, watch. The first one should be super, super quick. Look at this one. Do they have the same everything?
No.
So it's not dependent. Is the slope the same, the squiggly? Yes, so it's inconsistent. It's inconsistent. Next one. Here, do they have the same everything? Same, so it's not dependent. Do they have the same x, squiggly, slope? So it's going to be inconsistent. Next one. Are these the same everything?
Yes.
Dependent. Are they the same everything?
No.
Is everything different?
Yes.
That's independent.
What?
Are they the same everything?
Yes.
They're the same everything dependent. Are they the same everything?
Yes.
Dependent. Are they same anything? All different, so it's independent. Same everything? Dependent.